Placing lucky bamboo in the right direction is said to be enhance its positivity, energy, and bring good fortune. According to the principle of Feng Shui, here are some key guidance for placement. You should consider the number of stems. If you placing one stem, it represents simplicity and individual success. If you are placing two stems, it represents love and romance. It will be three stems that will bring happiness, health, and longevity. The stem number is 5, it attract wealth and abundance. If it is 6 stems, enhance the financial luck. If it is 7 stem, it will promote the health. And also in 8 stem, bring the prosperity and growth. If the stem number is 9, it symbolizes the great luck and blessing. If you need a great luck and blessing, you can select 9 stem, or otherwise you can select any number of stems from this. The placement direction is when you are placing east side, this direction represents the healthy and family, and placing the bamboo here can promote good health and strengthen family relationship. If you are placing southeast direction, associated with the wealth and abundance. Placing lucky bamboo here can bring financial success and prosperity. And also in south direction, this direction is try to frame and reputation. Placing the bamboo here might enhance your social status or public recognition. If you are placing the lucky bamboo on north direction, it connected to the career and life path. Placing the lucky bamboo in north direction may help the career advancement and new opportunities. So you need to think about the placement. If you are feel you need to get the wealth, family, and also the prosperity, that is based on your choice.